everyone, welcome back to Floorland. If you're tired of stepping onto cold floors, especially during those chillier winter months, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're showing you how to say goodbye to cold floors and warm up your home with Dubai's best wooden flooring solutions. Section 1, Why wooden flooring is the ultimate choice. First things first, let's talk about why wooden flooring is the best option to keep your space warm and cozy. Unlike tiles or marble, wood retains heat naturally, making it a perfect choice for those who love warmth underfoot. Section 2, Types of wooden flooring to consider. Now, let's dive into the different types of wooden flooring you can choose from in Dubai. Solid hardwood flooring. If you're after a timeless and classic look, this is your go-to option. Engineered wood flooring, a more affordable and versatile option, it's great for Dubai's climate as it handles humidity better than solid wood. Laminate flooring, if you're on a budget but still want that wooden aesthetic, laminate can be your best friend. It's durable and easy to install. Section 3, Benefits of wooden flooring. Wooden floors don't just offer warmth, they come with a host of benefits. Durability. Wooden flooring is long-lasting, making it a worthwhile investment. Low maintenance. Cleaning and maintaining wooden floors is a breeze. A quick sweep or mop, and you're done. Aesthetic appeal. Whether modern or rustic, wood complements any decor. Section 4, How to choose the right flooring for your space. Choosing the right wooden flooring depends on several factors. Room usage. High traffic areas might need a more durable wood like oak or maple. Climate considerations. Dubai's humidity makes engineered wood a smart choice for certain areas. Budget. Solid wood may be more expensive, but there are great laminate options that mimic the real thing. Section 5, Shop now at Floorland. Ready to warm up your floors? Head to Floorland where we offer a wide selection of premium wooden flooring options. From solid hardwood to budget-friendly laminates, we've got something for every home. Visit floorland.ae to shop now or book a consultation with one of our flooring experts today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more interior design tips. Let's make your home warmer and more stylish, one floor at a time.